If you don't believe in magic but need a little healing, give Loquat Leaf Tincture a try. Imagine a world where nature's whispers hold the key to your well-being. Deep within the luscious green leaves of the loquat tree lies a treasure trove of ancient benefits. Loquat Leaf Tincture is not just an herbal remedy, it's a potion of serenity and vitality. Feel the gentle embrace of its natural properties as they soothe your respiratory system and support your immune health. Breathe easier, sleep sounder, and embrace a life full of energy and clarity. With every drop, you're not just taking a tincture, you're unlocking a secret from nature's own apothecary. Step into a world of mystical wellness with Loquat Leaf Tincture. Let the magic of nature elevate your everyday life. Don't wait to discover the wonders that await you. Embrace the enchantment of loquat leaves today.